Carlo Aquino at Barbie Imperial nasa Japan kung saan nangyari ang tsunami. Karen Mix TV Showbiz Update. Disclaimer, ang mga larawang ito ay hindi pag-aari ng uploader. Ito ay ginagamit upang sa karagdagang impormasyon. Credit to the owner. May bagong movie na pagsasamahan itong si Carlo Aquino at Barbie Imperial. So, abangan natin to sa mga fans ni Barbie dyan. Mag-aabang tayo nito. Fans online were quickly to react to Barbie new look. So pretty. Bumagay sa new hair mo. One fan wrote, literal na Barbie. Apakaganda. Another fan posted it was in January 2023 when Barbie and Carlo first movie project I Love Lizzie was released in movie theater. Barbie was all praises for Carlos' professionalism when they were doing the movie project. Sobrang komportable po ako sa kanya nung sinushoot namin yung pelikulang ito kasi napakabait, napaka-gentleman at palagi po siyang nanlilibre ng kape. As in araw-araw nililibre niya po kami ng kape. And napakagaling po, grabe, Barbie said in the past interview with Star Magic Inside News. Carlo also remarked that he was at is working with the actress. Sobrang comfortable. Umpisa pa lang nung look test, medyo alof-alof pa ako. Tapos siya, binabasag-basag niya ako. Ganun pala yung Barbie, o sige, he said. The actor went on, na-enjoy ko at saka na-appreciate ko yung nag-go open up siya about her past. Aside from I Love Lizzie, Barbie starred in a various movie in the past year, including Dulo in 2021, Monkey Pwing, Ang Lihim ng Bandanang Itim in 2020, You Have Arrived and Finding You in 2019, among others. Meanwhile, Carlos starred in This World Romance in 2023, Expensive Candy in 2022, Isa Pa with the Feelings and Ulan in 2019, and Excess Baggage in 2018, among others. So, yun lang guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, please like, share, comment. Sulat nyo dyan sa baba para mabasa natin ang inyong naging pahayag. Karen Mix TV, hanggang sa muli. Thank you so much.